Hey everyone, Old Man here. How are you doing today? Okay, if you're just getting started into your Blast journey and you haven't watched the video that goes over prerequisite skills that you will need to learn Blast, go watch that first because the format for this video and all subsequent videos go off the assumption that you know these things and you have those skills in place. Alright, let's get into it.
I begin to